Hey guys, welcome. My name is Aghali Moraes and this is my wife.
Tiffany.
We want to introduce you guys to Salsa in the Dining Room.
We thought that during this time being where people are probably going crazy and itching to move and maybe want to learn something new or fun, we thought dancing would be a great way. So we wanted to bring dancing to you guys. If you've done dancing before for a while, or if you've wanted to learn how to dance, here's our wonderful opportunity.
Go ahead. I was going to say this can be done in the living room, in the kitchen, anywhere where you have about maybe a 6 foot or 4 foot space. It's going to be a lot of fun. Not only will you be able to practice your dancing, but eventually when this time passes, you can go out and have fun at the clubs.
So it'll be something we'll be able to smile and brighten your day. So thank you for joining us, and if you do have any other style of dances or any comments, we'd love to hear from you guys. We really want to be here for you guys.
Alright, so don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and let's get started.